Welcome to Upstart Plus. In this video, I will show you how to add clickable links on Instagram. You can add clickable links to your Instagram by pasting URLs into links section of your profile. To do that, from your profile, click Edit Profile button. Press Links. Press plus icon to add external link. I cannot add more links because I have already added 5 links to my profile. You can add up to 5 links. These links will be visible on your profile or bio. For the link, you will add URL and title. You can also add links by using a link sticker in your Instagram story. To do that, press plus icon at the bottom, select story, take your image or take image from the gallery. I will choose an image from the gallery by clicking this icon at the left bottom. I'll choose this image. Press sticker button at the top. Select link from these options. Type the URL. Press done. Readjust the link. And now you can post your story. So this is how you can add clickable links on Instagram in your profile or in your story. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.